Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing a review on a humidifier. So basically we bought this humidifier just because of the water on the windows, like condensation and all that on the windows. So basically wanted to get rid of that, so we bought one of these. I think we bought it for around 180 or 200 euro, so they are expensive. You can get cheap ones, but we were looking for a good one because basically just in the rooms we just put in all the rooms there, basically with all the windows that there's always condensation, just water falling down. It's just it collects all the water. Basically you have to empty it out probably every couple of weeks, 2 to 3 weeks. It's like a big jug full as well. It's very handy. But it's the Meaco Good Housekeeping Institute. Alright, so basically let me turn it on here. There, so it opens up here. It's 13 degrees. And then there's settings on it as well. So here it's on there now. And not too bad. Pretty good. There's a lock on it as well. There's a timer. So it's the timer. That's 1 hour. It's 2 hour. 3 hour. 4 hour. 5, 6. 7, I think 8's the max. Oh no. I think, okay, 12 hours is the max. Let's put in here, it says 30% water, I'm pretty sure that means, or collected. It's either collected or in the room. Yeah, also it helps, it's really good for drying clothes as well, and clothes to dry. Fan speed, I think it's at max. Pick. Yeah, see look there. That moves. Alright. Okay, it's not moving anymore, but this basically moved when I pressed it. Or that locks it as well, but I would recommend one of these. Let's see if I find a water free. Oh yeah, so that catches all it all catches in all the dirt. Basically it's good for catching all that shite as well. But I would recommend, and I think the water's down here. But basically I would recommend one of these. You can get cheaper ones like I was saying. It's just have to close in there, I don't know why. I would recommend or get one of these if you had water leaking in the house. Please, if you did like the video, please like, subscribe, peace.